Welcome to our lovely IHP paid and free subscriber community who love to do the inner growth mindset because you're not a fool. So when you see the people who think they're like the authority on everything, no, they don't just think, they speak it. And there's a bunch of adaptive child part people who don't go to Terry to become grown-ups, and they actually follow these people around. Like Peter Pan's, Lost Boys, and Wendy's. We're going to talk about that in the extended. So in the meantime, never look up to anyone, never look down on anyone. When you see all the way they are, you shall navigate life effectively. Thank you, Sadhguru. And when you have utter clarity about where you are right now, yes, the next level experience will reveal itself to you. So I'm a functional child adult. And when I see pseudo-intellectuals, and then I just think of how much I love learning things, I'm like, wow, there's a bunch of people that just side with whoever speaks more firmly. I know everything. Yes, the human secondary consciousness. It's not something that sends me into a dilemma, but tune into the extended to learn more about it.